This is some important formulas for your last exercise. See here, they are also called identities. I gave this product. See, even I told you to derive this formula. So if you multiply these two, you know how to multiply. You know how to multiply the numbers. You know how to multiply the polynomials. Lot of practice you did in 6th, 7th, 8th classes, and even in 9th class also we did some problems from the beginning. So just if you multiply x into x, x square plus x into ax, a into, say this is say b for example, x into b, bx, x into ax plus ab. If you take x common, this is a plus b into x plus ab. This is our first formula. We can also call it as identity. So then I explained you, this is the second formula. A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. If you multiply those two, you do it. Compulsory you do, otherwise because if you don't remember the formula, you can prepare it, you can derive it. You can derive the formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This you already know. And third formula is identity is a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Next, fourth identity is a plus b into a minus b, which is if you multiply these two, we will get a square minus b square. So fifth identity is a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the formula. Similarly, you know a plus b whole cube formula, a plus b into a plus b into a plus b 3 times. Multiply the first two, then multiply with the third one. You do it compulsory. So the answer will be a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is the formula. It can be also written as, same can be written as, if you take 3ab common, so a plus b cube. Both are same. Anyway, you can remember. So seventh formula is a minus b whole cube. This is a cube minus 3, alternate signs, minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is a cube minus 3ab common, a minus b cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. I will write b cube here. After that, I will write 3ab. Same formula. Same. I will write b cube here and I will write take 3ab common, a plus b. Same. Because I want to keep a cube, b cube side by side. So these are the 10 formulas, 10 identities, very simple to derive. If you multiply a plus b into a plus b, then again multiply with a plus b, this will be the answer. A minus b into a minus b into a minus b, you multiply 3 times, you will get this answer. If you multiply these two, see here, a into a square, a cube, a into ab, a square b, a into b square, ab square, minus a square b minus ab square minus b cube. Like that, if you multiply these two, you will get this answer. Multiply these two, you will get this answer. Multiply these two directly, you will get this answer. Remaining terms will get cancelled. These are the 10 formulas or identities. So you please remember. And we are going to apply these identities in the last exercise, that is 5th exercise. So write down these formulas fast, those who have not written. So please note it fast. And after that, we will start the exercise. Practice these formulas. Over, students, did you completed? All of you completed? Jogipet branch, Muttangi branch. Bellampalli, Balapur. Is it over? Students, did you wrote these formulas? Medchel. Students, all of you open the textbooks, 56 page number and exercise 2.5. It is a simple exercise, not that difficult exercise. So simple exercise, simple problems, do it. See the formulas, which formula we have to apply, accordingly you apply and get the answer. See the formulas. Actually, for multiplying these two, we don't need any formula. Just if you multiply x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 2, 10. So x square, 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 10 directly we can write. But the question is, use the identity. So that condition is given, let us use the identity. For this first identity, see here, x plus a into x plus b, the identity is, what is the formula? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. This is the formula we have written, first formula. X square plus a is 5 plus b is 2 into x plus a into b. 5 into 2. So the answer is x square plus 7x plus 10 over. Write down. So same numbers, which is nothing but x minus 5 whole square. So remember the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Apply the formula and get it. A square minus 2ab plus b square, x minus 5 into x minus 5. Apply the formula and get the answer. A square minus 2ab. You know what is a, what is b? This is x square minus 2. A is x, b is 5. Plus b square is 5 square. X square minus 2 5 is a 10x plus 25. Here the suitable formula is a plus b into a minus b. Apply this formula. Here also the formula is a plus b into a minus b, which is nothing but a square minus b square. Apply the formula and get the answers. Students, do it parallelly. Don't wait for me to do. So you also do. If you are doing mistake, then we can cancel. You can cancel later and you can correct it. But you should try. No problem. Mathematics notebook will be not so neat. Even it will be mistakes, corrections and cancellations. Lot of things will be there. So you just practice it. Do it. Don't wait for me to do, because let us do parallelly. A plus B, see here, A plus B, same terms are repeated, same. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. What is A? 3x whole square. What is B? 2 square. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Formula. 3 square is 9x square, 2 square is 4. Any doubt, anybody? A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Formula. Same terms are repeated. This is plus, this is minus. Same terms are repeated with plus and minus when it is in the product form. Means compare with this formula. So without actual multiplication, directly we can use the formula A square minus B square. 1 square is 1 over. One plus x into 1 plus x whole square 2 times. So a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is the second identity as per your order. So substitute the values. A is 1 square plus 2 into a is 1, b is x. That's all. First bit is over. Students, see the textbook and write down the second question. Second, completed. Now, second question, evaluate the following products without actual multiplication. 101 into 99. 999 into 999. See here, you know how to multiply this. You know 99 into 101, you know how to multiply. See here, 101 like this, 99, 9 ones are 9, 900, 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9, 900, 9 ones are 9. So what is the answer? 9999. Correct? Oh, next with 9 ones are 9, 900, 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9, 900, 9. So correct, 9999. This is the answer. So this is the actual multiplication. But here question is don't apply the actual multiplication. Use the identities if possible. If they are applicable, use the identities and get it. So see the identities, and if you know the identities perfectly, you will get this idea. 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1. 100 plus 1, 100 minus 1. What is 100 minus 1? 99. 100 plus 1 is 101. It is exactly in the formula a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. Do it. A square, A is 100, B is 1. You know 100 square, 100 into 100 is, it is very simple, 1 square is 1 only. 100 into 100 means 4 zeros. 10,000 minus 1 is 9,999 over. See, actually this is the simple method than this. This is the actual multiplication, but using the identities, 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 is 101. 100 minus 1 is 99. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 100 square is 100 into 100. Total 4 zeros. 100 square very simple to find. 2 zeros, total 4 zeros. 1 square is 1 only. 10,000 minus 1, 9,999. Nine 99 into 99 into 99, 999 into 999 is 999 whole square. 2 times, no? 2 times. This can be written as 999 is 1000 minus 1. Compare with a minus b whole square formula. Do it. Do it, students. All of you do it. Vemlavada branch. So 999 is 1000 minus 1 is 999. 999 into 999 is 999 whole square. 999 is 1000 minus 1, that is a minus b whole square formula. Do it and get the answer. A square 2ab b square. 1000 into 1000, 3 zeros, again 3 zeros, 6 zeros. 2 into 1000 into 1, 2000. 1 square is 1. Subtract this. 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus 2000. Nine lakhs 98,000 plus 1. 9 lakhs 98,001. Followed or not? You just tell me, I will explain once again with full steps. Students, respond. Following or not? Kapra branch. Do this. Students, see here. 50 and half is 50 plus half. 49 and half is 50 minus half. What is 50 minus half? 49 and half. 50 plus half, 50 minus half. Can we write? Any doubt in it? Fifty and half. 50 plus half. 50 and half means 50 plus half. 49 and half means 49 plus half. 49 and half is 50 minus half is 49 and half only. 50 minus half is 49 and half. If you have any confusion in this, you can take LCM. We will get some more steps. This will be simple. 50 and half is 50 plus half. See, 3 and half means 3 plus half. Or can be written as 3 and half. 3 plus half or 4 minus half. 4 minus half is 3 and half only. So 50 plus half, 49 is 50 minus 49 and half is 50 minus half. 50 and half is 50 plus half, 49 and half is 50 minus half. 50 minus half is 49. 49 and half. Direct formula, substitute that formula and get it. Fifty plus half is 50 and half. 50 minus half is 49 and half. Same numbers are repeated. This is plus, this is minus. So without actual multiplication, we can use this identity. A square 50 square minus b square 1 by 2 square. 50 into 50. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. 50 square is 50 into 50. 50 into 50 you multiply. This is the answer, or you can take LCM. 4 into 2500, 10,000. Like this also you can write. Or you can leave it. Student, I will explain this. You write down second method. See here. I will apply another method like this. See here. Convert it into improper fraction. 250 is 100 plus 1, 101. Two into 49. 2 into 49, 98 plus 1. 2 into 50, 100 plus 1, 101. 2 into 49, 98 plus 1, 99 by 2. So 101 can be written as 100 plus 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Apply this formula in the numerator. Second method. Two into 50, 100 plus 1, 101 by 2. 2 into 49, 98 plus 1, 99 by 2. You know how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. You studied in 6th, 7th, 8th classes. 101 is 100 plus 1, 99 is 100 minus 1. So see the formula. A square minus b square is 1 square. 100 square is 4 zeros. 2 zeros, 2 more zeros. 1 square is 1. 10,000 minus 1 is 9,994. This is another method. Balaji Nagar branch. Very good. So second method, it seems it is little convenient. So you can do it. If you convert it into improper fraction, this will be easy. Directly we are getting. Phi naught 1, phi naught 1, phi naught 1 whole square. Phi naught 1 can be written as 500 plus 1 whole square. Apply a plus b whole square formula. Do it. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1. 100 into 100 is 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 10,000 minus 1, 9,999 by 4. Apply this formula. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A is 500. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 500 into 500. 500 into 500. 2 into 5. 10, 1. 500 square is 500 into 500. 5 5 is a 25. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 4 zeros. 2 into 5, 10. 2 zeros. Into 1 means same. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1. 2,50,000, 2,51,001. Is it correct? Students, is it correct or not? Followed or not? Last bit in this 30.5 into 29.5. Let us do this problem. Thirty plus 0.5. 30 minus 0.5. 30 plus 0.5 is 30.5. 30 minus 0.5 is 29.5. 30 rupees 50 NP. 30 rupees plus 50 NP. 29 rupees 50 NP is 30 rupees minus 50 rupees. 50 NP. Like 30 plus 0.5, 30.5. 30 minus 0.5, 29.5. Can we write like that or not? Tell me. A square minus b square. 30 into 30. 900. Any doubt? 30 into 30. I will write one more step. 30 into 30, 3 into 3, 9, 1 0, 1 0, 2 zeros. 5 5 is a 25, 1 digit, 2 digits, so 2 digits. 1 digit, 2 digits, so 2 digits decimal, 5 5 is a 25. 900 minus 0.25, so 0.00, 0.25. Is it correct, students? Tell me, is it correct or not? Correct? So, okay students, let us conclude here. Almost all in the first 5 bits, second 5 bits, and all the formulas I explained. So you practice those formulas and have a clear idea. Both ways you have to remember. So both identities. Suppose if a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b model is given, a plus b whole cube, or a plus b whole cube is given, we have to, both ways you have to remember. Suppose if it is a square minus b square, we can write it as a plus b into a minus b, or a plus b into a minus b is given, we have to write a square minus b square. So left side is given, if you want we can change into right side, or if right side form is given, we have to convert it to left side form. So both the ways you have to remember. All those 10 formulas you practice identities, and look at these 10 problems which we solved. Tomorrow we will continue. So till then, okay students, bye. So have a nice day. Practice these problems. At the same time